How to fix Huawei Nova 13 QR code scanner not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. Then again click on apps. After clicking on apps, you can see the option camera. Now click on camera. Now you can see the option force stop. First of all, force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and open camera. On top left corner you can see the scanner icon. Now click on it. Now here you can scan your QR code. After that, open settings. In settings, scroll down and again click on apps. Now open camera. In camera you can see the option storage. Now click on storage. Now here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings. Then scroll down in last and here you can see the option system and updates. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.